The foundation of safety lies in the purity of the materials, manufactured from a single sheet of material with no but welds, eliminating deformation from the source. Shock blasting treatment increases paint adhesion by 50%, providing corrosion resistance and ensuring lifelong load-bearing capacity. The accuracy of the material cutting process is the foundation for all subsequent accuracy. Automated welding cluster, 6 times higher efficiency, 100% consistent quality. We show you what you couldn't see before. Our obsession with precision is driven by our commitment to you, flawless operation, and minimized maintenance costs. Our cost advantage comes from intelligent management, not from cutting corners. Choose Silica Crane and give your production efficiency a solid guarantee.